Tri-State of Griot's Curse, written by Brock Colleen, narrated and read by Brock Colleen. Tri-State of Griot's Curse, Chapter 1, read by Brock Colleen. You know, really just kind of start out something like this. Two cats walking down the street. What's poppin', my dude? Man, did you hear about last night? What are you talking about now? They said they can't find the cat from the Griot Championship last night. Online chat sites and newspapers all over have been talking about it. Man, get the fuck out of here. What part of the game is that? Real talk. Let's hit up the store. I'll show you who they've been talking about all over the news.